In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of my favorite new features in the Gemini mobile app. It's called Deep Research. So whether you're working on a project, writing an essay, or just want to understand a complex topic without falling down a Google rabbit hole, this tool is going to save you so much time. Let's get started. So first, open the Gemini app on your phone, and you'll now see an option where it says Ask Gemini for Research. Just tap on that and then type in your topic or question. Now, what I typed in earlier on was something along the lines of, and then I hit the send button. So basically, just sit back for a few seconds while Gemini pulls together hours of trusted research and turns it into an easy to understand report, literally in under a minute. Just hit start research. You'll get a clean layout with summaries, key insights, links to sources, and even suggestions for related topics. It's perfect for learning fast and getting straight to the point. You can copy parts of the report. I'm going to go into a report that I did earlier, which was in here. I'm going to open the report. So yeah, you can copy certain aspects of the report just by hitting the three dots in the top right corner and hitting select text. You can save it or revisit it later or share it straight from the app. You could even turn it into a podcast where you could listen to more about this report. And that's it. Deep Research in Gemini on mobile is like having your own research assistant in your pocket. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you're using Deep Research for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.